Hi, this is Sean again from SeanGabrielPhotography.com. This video tutorial is a supplement to the first one on downloading pictures from your digital camera. Now if you remember, I'm going to turn my camera on here. I've already got it connected to the computer. If you remember in the first tutorial, this window popped up in the middle of my screen after I plugged it in and turned it on. Now there is this other option. Rather than using the My Computer icon and copying them manually, you can look for this Microsoft Scanner and Camera Wizard option. If you see that, you can choose it instead of canceling this window and try this other method. So I'm going to choose that and I'm going to click OK. And this Welcome to the Scanner and Camera Wizard window appears. I'm just going to click Next at the bottom of the window. And then you can see it shows me all the pictures on my camera. And it automatically selects them all. You can see these little check boxes in the corner. If I didn't want a picture, I could uncheck its box. But I'm going to leave them all selected because I want to use all these pictures and download them all. So I'm going to click Next. And then it asks me, where am I going to put these pictures, in what folder am I going to put them in? So remember the first time I named it Sean's Test Pictures. So let's just name this Sean's Test Pics 2. And you can see it's already putting them in my Pictures folder. And when I type the name of the group, it's creating a subfolder for those pictures. Now if I already had a folder, I could click this Browse button here and navigate and select that folder, and then it would put them inside that already created folder instead of making a new one, which is what it's going to do now. Now you could check this box that says delete pictures from my device after copying them. I do not recommend that you do that because it's much safer to delete the pictures on your camera after you disconnect it from the computer using the menus in your camera. It's a much safer way. You have less chance of corrupting your memory card and things like that. So keep that in mind. I would not check this box. Okay, now when I click Next, you can see one by one quickly it downloads all the pictures, and then it asks me what I would like to do. Now in most cases you're just going to click nothing. All I wanted to do was to download those pictures. Now when I click Finish, it opens up a window here. I'm just going to minimize it, and you can see that all my pictures are here, and it shows you the path up here. It's inside your My Documents, My Pictures, and Sean's Test Pics number 2. So if I take a step up using this button here, you can see here's my Sean's Test Pics folder from the first tutorial, and here's my folder from the second tutorial. Now you can choose which method you prefer. The second method is actually a little more straightforward and easier to do. The only problem is that everybody's computers are a little bit different. You may have a different version of Windows, and the option may be called something different. That window that pops up may be called something different. So keep that in mind, that this may depend on the version of Windows that you have. But all the versions of Windows, the recent versions, have some sort of function that will help you do this. So that will conclude this video tutorial. Thank you for watching.